Hey, Motivated Minds family. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like your brain is running on autopilot? Like you're scrolling mindlessly, forgetting things, and struggling to stay focused? You're not alone. This is what I call brain rot, and it's happening to millions of us every single day. But here's the thing, you don't have to live this way. Today, I'm going to break down what's causing it, why it's stealing control of your brain, and how you can take back the driver's seat. So, let's jump in and get real about this. What is brain rot? Let's call it what it is. Brain rot isn't just about being distracted. It's a slow erosion of your ability to think deeply, focus, and make decisions. It's like your mind is stuck in quicksand, sinking into shallow habits and endless noise. And the scary part? Most of us don't even notice it happening until it's too late. Why is this happening? 1. The overload of information. We live in a world of constant stimulation. News, notifications, social media, and streaming platforms, your brain is drowning in information. And guess what? It wasn't built for this. The more you feed it junk, the harder it becomes to process, prioritize, and retain the things that really matter. 2. Dopamine addiction. Every like, every notification, every TikTok video, it's all engineered to give you a dopamine hit. Over time, your brain gets hooked, craving more instant gratification. This is why you keep reaching for your phone, even when you know you have work to do. Your brain is being rewired to chase the easy, not the meaningful. 3. Lack of mental rest. Do you ever feel like you're never truly off? Even when you're relaxing, you're scrolling, checking emails, or binge-watching shows. Your brain needs downtime to recharge, to reflect, to grow. But instead, we're overloading it 24/7, and it's breaking under the pressure. What are the consequences? Let me break it down for you. Loss of focus, you can't concentrate on anything for more than a few minutes. Memory issues, forgetting tasks, names, or what you were about to do. Anxiety and stress, your mind is in overdrive, and it's taking a toll on your mental health. Lack of creativity, you can't think deeply or problem solve because your mind is too cluttered. This is brain rot. And the longer you let it go unchecked, the harder it becomes to reverse. How do you take back control? 1. Digital detox. It's time to unplug. Start small, set boundaries. No screens an hour after you wake up or before bed. Limit your social media usage to a specific time each day. Trust me, your brain will thank you. 2. Train your focus muscle. Focus is like a muscle, you've got to train it. Start with small chunks of time. Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of rest. Over time, your ability to concentrate will grow stronger. 3. Feed your brain the right fuel. Instead of binging on mindless content, consume things that challenge you. Read books, listen to podcasts, and engage in conversations that make you think. Remember, your brain is a product of what you feed it. 4. Practice mindfulness. Spend 10 minutes a day just being present. Meditate, journal, or simply sit in silence. This helps your brain process and clear out the mental clutter. 5. Prioritize rest and recovery. Get enough sleep. Take breaks. Step away from the grind. Rest isn't laziness, it's necessary for growth. Your brain needs this time to recharge and build stronger connections. Take action now. The good news? Brain rot isn't permanent. You can reverse it. But it requires action, today, not tomorrow. Start with one habit, one change. And as you regain control, you'll notice something incredible: clarity, focus, and a renewed sense of purpose. Conclusion: leave them inspired. Motivated Minds family, your brain is your greatest tool. Don't let it waste away in a sea of distractions. Take control, fight brain rot, and unlock the incredible potential that's already within you. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're going to change today to reclaim your mind? As always, stay motivated, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's win this together.